Hey there, viewers! Daily exercise is very important, but it's really easy to get bored with your workout regimen, especially when you're doing it at home. I'm talking about the same types of exercise every day. You can spice things up by including some fun exercises in your fitness routine. In today's video, we'll be talking about 9 animal-inspired exercises to do without having to leave your room. What is a frog feet lift? How do you do a cat-cow stretch? And bear crawls? What about inchworm exercises? Sounds pretty weird, huh? We're talking all these and more. Number 1. Frog feet lift. Hopping like a frog? It's almost like I'm reliving my childhood. The frog feet lift exercise will make your hips and legs flexible. If you want a strong behind, this is the ultimate exercise for you. It'll strengthen your hamstrings and back. Wondering how to do it? Here's how. First, you need to lie down on your stomach and put your fists on your forehead. Bring your heels closer to each other so that they're in contact. Keep your hips joined with your spine. Remember, your spine must be in a straight position. Twist the knees and lift your heels to the ceiling. Pull your thighs as hard as possible. You're now lying just like a frog about to leap. Let your thighs down. Your heels must touch each other. You've just completed 1 rep. Do another 11. Increase the count to 15 to 20 reps within the next few weeks. What's the weirdest exercise you've ever done? Does it have a name? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Cat-cow stretch. What do a cat and cow have in common? Well, together they make up one heck of a productive exercise. The cat-cow stretch is very popular among the fitness community, especially to relieve tension in your back muscles. This interesting workout offers various benefits. You can improve your posture through it. It helps you stretch your important body muscles while stimulating the organs present in your abdomen. This helps improve your digestion. The cat-cow stretch is easy to do. It's a gentle flow of 2 different poses. One warms your body while the other adds flexibility to your spine. Your torso, neck, and back will all thank you later. So how do you do it? It's simple. First, get on your hands and knees. Then raise your butt while keeping your chest forward. Sink your belly while inhaling. Now relax your shoulders while raising your head. As you exhale, bend your spine in an upward position and move your pelvic bones in. You just completed your first set. The exercise one is easy, so you can begin with 5 to 10 reps. Aim to score 25 over the next month. Number 3. Donkey kick. The world-famous donkey kick. This one in particular is my favorite. Imagine taking all your pent-up frustrations and giving them one giant kick. Donkey kick exercises improve the strength of your hips and abs. You'll also notice a significant improvement in your body posture and balance. And here's the most awesome part. You get to flaunt strong and flexible glutes. But you have to do the exercise almost every day. Here's how. Get on your hands and knees. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders. Make sure your knees are hip distance apart. Kick your right leg up as high as you can. Do this while keeping your knee in the bent position. Your foot must be flat. Hinge your hips. You can now return it to the previous position. Repeat the same exercise 20 times for each leg. Do at least 4 to 5 sets in the beginning. Number 4. Cobra pose. So far, we kicked like a donkey, hopped like a frog, and stretched like a cow. Now what? Hiss like a snake? The Cobra pose is the best exercise to wake up your mind and body. You can feel the impact of this exercise on your chest, abs, and butt. Your shoulders and back muscles will need to relax. It's going to improve the flexibility of your body while also toning it. Not just that, your wrists, arms, and glute muscles will also be strengthened. Do this daily to relieve the pain in your back and spinal cord. How to do it? Here's how. Lie down on the floor with your back facing the ceiling. Stretch and keep your legs in the back position. Keep your hands on the floor under your shoulders. Then hug your elbows at the backside. Press your thighs against the floor. Inhale and keep your arms straight to lift the chest from the floor. Remember to breathe smoothly. Hold the pose for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Keep breathing, release the position, and lower it to the floor while exhaling. Before we move ahead, are you having trouble falling asleep? Watch this video to learn more about the 11 weird tricks that help you fall asleep quickly. Number 5. Bear crawl. Yes, it's just like the name sounds. Get on all fours and crawl like a bear. This will tone your shoulders, arms, and butt. Bear crawls are also great for your abs, hamstrings, and hip muscles. You'll notice an increase in the strength and flexibility of your body. So how do you do it? Come down to your hands and knees. Keep your feet and hands in a flat position on the floor. Also, the butt must be in the air. Start crawling, perhaps from one end of the room to the other. Just remember to keep your arms and legs straight. Repeat the same exercise 10 to 15 times. Number 6. Spiderman push-ups. Yes, you get to be Spiderman for a few minutes, but you won't be throwing webs in the air or jumping from buildings, rather strengthening your abs, pecs, and shoulders. You're going to improve blood circulation, body flexibility, and overall strength. But how? You can start by coming into the push-up pose. Keep your back straight and get ready as you're about to do a push-up. Keep the body down and pick up the right leg. Keep it straight so the right knee can touch your hand. Return to the push-up pose. Repeat the same process with your left leg. Repeat it 15 times. Also, strictly follow the advice of your trainer. Number 7. Crab toe touches. If you're looking to do a full body workout, this is the best pose. Crab toe exercises will improve your overall flexibility and body movement. Assume the crab position and place your hands below your shoulders. Your hands must be aligned with your feet on the ground. Keep your feet in the air and point them. Lift the right arm and hold the toes of the left foot. Repeat the same process with your left arm and right foot. Do 10 reps daily. Number 8. Dolphin Plank. I wish this meant swimming with actual dolphins. Dolphin planks are both fun and challenging. They're great for strengthening your legs, arms, and core muscles. You can improve your bone density by doing this exercise daily. So how do you start? Hold the plank position with your elbows. Keep your body parallel to the ground. Your toes must be in a bent position. Rest your toes against the ground and breathe smoothly. Now lift your hips above the ground in an inverted V position. Do the same process in 3 sets. Every set must contain at least 15 reps. Also, you are advised to follow the instructions of your trainer. Number 9. Inchworms. Slither like a worm? Yuck! But what if I said this workout is the best for improving flexibility and blood circulation? You're definitely strengthening your bones and muscles with this exercise. The glutes, deltoids, core, and chest muscles will all be put to work. And I forgot to mention how great this exercise is for your hamstrings. Here's how you do it. Start by standing straight. Bend your hands and stay on the ground in a V position again. After taking this position, start walking on hand. Come back to your feet and stand up straight. Do this at least 15 to 20 times. The more you practice this exercise, the more your stamina will increase. Have you done any of these exercises earlier? Did you like these animal-inspired exercises? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.